Hello everyone. Today, 3rd November of 2025, I'm Ami Maishi. We are going for business updates. Today's story first about Apple, and from Bloomberg, we have a news that the company Apple that makes iPhone, iPad, and Mac computers. Apple is turning 50 years old, 50 years, and it's starting this special year with a really big number. Apple is making almost $140 billion, $140 billion in just 3 months. That's what we call a quarter, which means one-fourth of a year or about 3 months. So Apple is saying we are 50 and we are still powerful. Um, Apple sold a lot of phones, computers, and other products. It made about $140 billion in that short time. That's more money than many countries make in a year. It shows that Apple is still one of the strongest companies in the world. Apple says it's planning to build more things using artificial intelligence or AI. That means they want their devices like iPhones and Macs to become even smarter, maybe like talking assistants, smart homes, or even folding devices. They also said they are preparing for some new leaders to take big jobs in the company. Even with the big numbers like 140 billion, Apple faces challenges. Technology changes fast. People want new things every year. Other companies like Samsung, Google, and Microsoft are also getting stronger. Apple needs to keep inventing cool new products so people don't lose interest. Apple is celebrating 50 years of business. It made almost $140 billion in just 3 months. It's signed that Apple is still one of the biggest and most successful companies on earth, but it must keep working hard to stay number one. MasterCard and a $2 billion crypto deal. Uh, mm, it's a very big move by MasterCard, one of the world's biggest payment companies, the one behind your credit or debit cards. MasterCard is now in advanced talks to buy a company called Zero Hash. Zero Hash is a startup from Chicago in the United States. It builds a special technology for crypto and stable coins, and that means digital money systems that work on the internet. The price of this deal is around $2 billion. That 2 billion US dollars. If the deal happens, it will be one of the biggest steps MasterCard has ever taken into the world of digital currencies. So, what is crypto? Crypto is short for cryptocurrency. It's a kind of digital money that you don't hold in your hand. It lives on computer and the internet. So what is a stable coin? A stable coin is a type of crypto keeps its value stable. For example, one stable coin is always equal to $1. So people can use it like normal money, but it moves faster and cheaper online. Why MasterCard interested? MasterCard is already huge in the card payment world. When you use your card in a shop, their system helps move the money. Now they want to prepare for the future where payments might use digital money instead of only banks or cards. By buying Zero Hash, MasterCard can learn and control the technology for crypto payments instead of building it from zero. This means they can offer crypto services safely and legally to banks, apps, and businesses. Uh, because it shows that the old world of finance, big traditional companies, is now joining the new world of crypto. So it's important. If MasterCard really bought Zero Hash, it could change how people send and receive money around the world. Transfers could become faster, cheaper, and available to more people even across countries. The deal is not final yet. They are still talking. The governments still have many rules about digital money, so MasterCard must be careful with laws, taxes, and safety. MasterCard, a giant company, wants to buy a crypto startup called Zero Hash for 2 billion US dollars to enter the digital money world. This shows how the future of money is changing fast from plastic cards to digital coins. Happening in the global stock markets, the US stock market, that means the big ones in America, went up a little bit today. The S&P 500 is now at 6,830.0. It went up 17.86 points or 0.26%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is at 47,562.87, up 40.75 points or 0.086%. The Nasdaq Composite, which has many technology companies, is at 23,720 4.96, up 143.81 points or 0.61%. So all three big American markets, the S&P, the Dow, and the Nasdaq are rising. There are three main reasons why the markets are going up. Uh, Good news from tech companies. Big companies like Apple and Amazon made good profit report. When these big tech companies do well, investors feel happy and buy more shares. Uh, Optimism about artificial intelligence, AI. People believe that AI will bring new business growth and make the future stronger, so they are putting more money into tech stocks. It's the start of November. In history, November is often a good month for the stock market because companies plan for the end of the year and investors feel more confident. Uh, the risk, but not everything is perfect. There are some problems that make people a little worried. First, the U.S. government shut down. Some parts of the government are closed, so important economic reports are late that make the market uncertain. We don't know exactly how strong the economy is. Interest rates from the Federal Reserve. If the central bank keeps in interest rates high, it becomes more expensive for companies to borrow money that can slow down the economy in the future. Third, also maybe too much excitement. Some experts say investors are getting too greedy. They are buying too fast because they believe prices will always go up, but that is dangerous. Markets can fall suddenly. In other countries in Europe, the DAX index in Germany rose to 24,222.79 up to 164.49 or 1.10%. The FTSE 100 in London also went up a little, about 0.1% in Asia. The Nikkei 225 in Japan jumped strongly up 1,085.73 points or 2.12%. That means Japan is leading the growth today in Asia. And what does it mean? The global market is like a big car on the road. Right now, the car's engine is running smoothly. It's moving forward because technology and AI companies are doing well. But the road is still far. Government issues, interest rates, and world uncertainty. So investors are driving carefully. They are hopeful but not speeding. If you are investing, this means go slowly, stay balanced, and watch the road ahead. The world stock markets are starting November with positive energy, led by technology, powered by AI, and supported by strong company profits. But remember, real success in business is not about speed, it's about direction, control, and patience. A word of cryptocurrency. Right now, most big digital coins are going down in price. Bitcoin is about $107,824. It fell by 2.55% today. Ethereum, also called Ether, is about $3,711. It fell by 5.12%. Cardano is about $0.57. It fell by 5.78%. Almost every coin is falling except maybe one or two small one. The crypto market is down this week. Usually every October, Bitcoin's price goes up. People call it October. But this time it did not happen. Bitcoin finished October with a small loss of 4%. Now it is November and people are a little careful. Analysts, that means experts who study prices, say two things could happen. Bitcoin might go down about 20% because the next big rise, or if things go well, it could go up to around 135 to $140,000 by the end of this year. So people are waiting, watching, and thinking before they buy more. Uh, mm, Imagine the crypto market is like a race car. It was going very fast, but now the driver touched the brake to check the road. That's what the market is doing, slowing down a little to be safe. Expectations were too high. People thought Bitcoin would buy higher, but it didn't. So some investors lost confidence. Global economy is uncertain. Interest rates, wars, and political issues make investors nervous. So they sell riskier assets like crypto, waiting for big news in the US. New crypto ETFs, that means funds that invest in Bitcoin, may be approved soon. People are waiting for that before making big moves. If you are new to crypto, remember the prices can go up fast but also fall fast. It's like a swing in the park. Sometimes you go up, sometimes you go down. So don't jump in with all your money. That's very risky. Start small, learn first, and understand the risk. The crypto market today is like a person taking a deep breath before running a game. We don't know if it will go up or down next week, but we know one thing: patience is power. If you invest, do it wisely and slowly. The goal is not to be fast, the goal is to be smart.